Yo guys, join me today as I make my dance video. So this is a raw clip of me just making dance videos of how you see the behind the screen of those my shots you are watching. All those my shots when I watch. So this is the behind the screen of all those videos you are watching. So just kindly subscribe for more of these kind of videos. Comment what you think. How do you make your own dance video in the comment section so that I can know how you're going to do it in the comment section. Now guys, watch this dance over here. I think what I'm kicking for you over here. This is one of those dances I see where it's this is dance over here. That one I'm finished.
That's it.
You can remember come to make her fast.
The video is wasting
now.
Yes.
I'm not trying to get the dance. I'm understanding it. Let's go. Oh, I forgot the step. Jesus.
I'm starting.
Sometimes we go through in dance video tutorials we are making of every our videos. Sometimes we are forgetting our step. It's not gonna, it's not gonna, it's not gonna, it's not gonna. Hook, chop, shoot, go, to mash, not gonna. So guys, just enjoy the rest of the video like this, and there are more funny clips and more things that you would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Don't move the camera. Especially to one place. Don't move the camera. I don't say the camera. Especially to one place.
Yogurt drink.
Olanda yogurt drink.
No, Olanda is the company.
Okay, yogurt drink. But I'm going to tell them everybody yogurt drink.
No, not get one.
Go, no, no, jump to. Block on that door. 1, 2, 3, go.
Is that started? The video is wasting now. Started to yes. I'm starting.
You're starting?
Yeah.
Don't. Don't move the camera. Especially to one place. Don't move the camera. I don't say the whole camera. Especially to one place.
Yogurt drink.
Hollandia yogurt drink.
No, Hollanda is a company.
Okay, yogurt drink. But I can't tell everybody yogurt drink.
No, not get am.
Go, no way, junto. Go, coisa da do.
Olha, amor.